In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge customers in Shopify efficiently, helping you streamline your customer information for better management. Whether you're tidying up duplicate entries or refining your customer database, merging customers can simplify things significantly. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various options. This is your main navigation area. Within this panel, find and click on Customers. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the customers in your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this list, as it holds all the treasured information relevant to your business, aiding in customer relationship management and marketing strategies. Now, the task at hand is to identify the customers you wish to merge from this list. To do this, simply check the checkboxes next to the names of those customers. Correctly selecting these entries is vital, as the merge feature will consolidate the data into a single customer profile. If you have entries for the same customer with variations in their name or email, this step is particularly useful for eliminating duplicates without losing any valuable information. Once you have carefully selected the customers, direct your attention to the table list's top right corner, where you'll find an icon composed of 3 dots. This icon represents additional options that are not immediately visible in the standard toolbar. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with more actions. From the drop-down menu, select the Merge Customers option. This process will consolidate the selected customer profiles into one, effectively combining their order history, addresses, and any associated data. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that propels you towards better customer management and data accuracy. And there you have it. Your customers are successfully merged, eliminating duplicates and refining your data all in a few simple clicks. This function not only enhances the clarity of your customer database, but also contributes significantly to your store's operational efficiency. Remember, maintaining a clean customer database is an ongoing task that pays dividends in engaging effectively with your audience and improving their shopping experience. As you continue managing your Shopify store, taking a few moments here and there to tidy up can truly lead to long-term benefits in managing your business's insights and customer relationships. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial on merging customers in Shopify easy to follow and useful for your daily operations. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more tutorials or contact Shopify's support for additional assistance. Until next time, happy selling.